On 20th of December, ASDC, KSA and KNCA organized sit-in demonstration at Deephug Government Boys Age School playground against the government for adopting pick and choose policy in creating new states of India. The most awaited dream of the people of Karbi Anglong is the creation of autonomous state. It's been more than 3 decades that the people of Karbi Anglong placing their demand to the central government for the implementation of their constitutional rights. Several mass agitations were also carried out in connection with the demand. Many had lost their lives while keeping several hundreds injured during violence. But the government of India is still way far behind from the intention of implementing Article 244A of the Constitution, that is, creation of autonomous state. Whereas government had led the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, yet failed to pressurize the state and central government for the creation of autonomous state for Karbi Anglong. It was reported that government of India is eyeing to create a new state for frontier Nagaland and Kamantapur through pick and choose policy. Therefore, ASDC, KSA and KNCA staged a protest to express their dissatisfaction with regards of the policy adopted by the central government for the creation of new states. Slogans to create new state for Karbi Anglong were chanted during the protest.
India government hin pen sia policy ki deng singilitum chini damlo labangke Eastern frontier Nagaland lapen Komotapur lapen kapre kadim lo hitame hemprek akimi ke seng ponji new state create jipula pangsola mitame nilitum chini damlo masopena masi Karbi Anglong lapen dimahasa orat long standing demand 244A Assam phan plak pin pen Assam lui se methang ke chari labang so jakong langke constitution long sil mai ke tok tandu
ki pulang ke yenele tumta early 60s pen labang so autonomous state ke han seta apatai 3 kari organize hutta yenele to aphan nanglang pon karang Karbi Anglong lapen sil sap
ki ong dung da arjunong le ja estam pon de kana men silatum hemre ka hang bom lo momentu silatum hemre hang bong ja hemre ku bol bang so government de labang so ke pangdak long man study bom lo bu labang itu mangu me thema hadak hemre ka hang ku pak la so mo hala estan naganen frontier la so bong ke sengi pon mo theglong le sta hala dak phan bang ke je son thegam long je bi government dum si dang tum hemre hang na ku to la son si a policy ki deng son si theglong.
News X report for Karbi Anglong Live.